Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on time and work. Now let's begin our today's class with number 24, and question number 24 is like this. A, B and C can do a piece of work in, that is in, what did I say? That is in, in 10, 12, 15 days respectively. They start working together, but C leaves after working 3 days. B, 4 days before the completion of work. In how many days the work was finished? Could understand? So first let's know A's 1 day's work is equal to how many? Suppose the work completed in how many days? X days. Could understand? In how many days? X days. That means A worked for X days. B worked for how many days? 4 days before the completion work, that is X minus 4 days. And C left after doing 3 days work. That means again remember A से X days work, B से X minus 4 days work, and C से 3 days work. Could understand? So now let's do it. Suppose the work completed in 60 days. That means A worked for 60 days. That means A's 1 day's work is equal to A's. The question is A completes the work in 10 days. That means A's 1 day work, A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 10th part. So A's X days work is equal to X days work is equal to X minus 10 part.
X upon 10.
X upon 10, right? I told you minus. I made a mistake. Okay. Next, similarly, B did how many days? X minus 4 days. That means B say X minus 4 days work is equal to work is equal to how many? B means how many? X minus 4 upon 12. X minus 4 upon 12. Similarly, C is 3 days work. 3 days work means 3 upon 15, that is 15, that is 1 upon 5. Could understand? 1 upon 5 part. So, as per question, A is X days work, B is X minus 4 days work, and C is 3 days work is equal to 1 work. So, let's make the equation. A X upon 10 plus X minus 4 upon 12 plus how many? 1 upon 5 is equal to 1. Implies that, yes, this is LCM 60. 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. 6 into 6 is equal to 6. 6 plus 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5. That is 5 into X minus 4 plus 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. Implies 1. Implies that 6x plus 5x minus 20 plus 12 is equal to 60. cross multiplication.
20 and 12.
12, 20 plus 12 minus 20 plus 12 minus 20 plus 12. Could you understand? Implies that 6 plus 5x is equal to 11x minus 20 plus 12 is equal to how many? Minus 8. Could you understand? Is equal to 60. Implies that 11x is equal to 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. That means x is equal to 68 upon 11 is equal to 66. The 62, 66 remainder 2 can't divisible, so 2 upon 11. The answer is 6 2 upon 11 days. Okay, done. Which number is correct? Number 1 is correct. Number 1 is correct. This one is correct. Right? Okay. Then, question number 25. A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 5, 8, and 10 days respectively. They started working together, but C leaves after working 2 days, and B 1 day before the completion work. In how many days the work was finished? Same thing. It is like question number 24. So let's do it. So suppose the work was done in X days, right? So A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 5. So A's X days work is equal to X upon 5. Similarly, C leaves after 2 days, after working 2 days. B, one day before, that is X minus 1. So B's X minus 1 days work is equal to X minus 1 upon how many? 8. Could understand or not? X upon 5. And B say how many? X minus 1 upon 8. And C is 2 days work. Could understand? 1 day's work is equal to C is 1 day's work is 1/10 part. So C is 2 days work is equal to 2 days work is equal to 1 upon 10 into 2. 2 1 the 2 5, that is 1 upon 5. So as per question, A is X days work plus B is X minus A 1 days work and C is 2 days work is equal to 1 work. So let's make the equation X upon 5 plus X minus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1. Implies that its LCM is 40. 40 divided 5 is equal to 8. 8 into X is equal to 8X plus 40 divided by 8 is equal to how many? 5. 5 into X minus 1 plus 40. Sorry, 80. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. You know 8 is equal to 1. Implies that 8x plus 5x minus 5 plus 8 upon 40 is equal to 1. Implies that 8x plus 5x is equal to 13x, right? Minus 5 plus 8 is equal to plus 3 upon 40 is equal to 1. Could you understand? Yes, sir. Implies that how many? 13x plus 3 minus 3, right? Wait. 13x is equal to 40 minus 3 is equal to 37. 37. Therefore, x is equal to 37 upon 13 is equal to 13 to the 13
2.
30 13 to the, right? 13 to the, and the remainder is equal to 11.
11.
37 minus 37 minus 26 is 11. 11 upon 13. So this is the right answer. Which is the correct? The right answer is, tell me. 2 11 upon 13.
4.
Yes, number 4. This is 4. Yes. Just 1 minute. This one. Okay. Yes, done. Right. Next one is 26. That is number 26. Yes, here is an interesting one. Okay. There is a sufficient food for 300 men for 32 days. There is a sufficient food for 300 men for 32 days. After 29 days, 210 members leave the place. For how many days will the rest of the food last for the rest of the men? There were some food, and that food was for 300 men. Could understand? And for 32 days. They consumed how many days? 29 days. The food was for 32 days. They consumed for 29 days. How many people? 300 men. And the remainder is how many? 3 days. Could understand? After 29 days consumption, there was food for 300 men for 3 days. But 210 men left the place. That means the remaining men were 300 minus 210 is equal to 90 men. Could understand? These 300 men would have consumed that food in 3 days. But as 210 men left the place, 90 men consumed it. So let's know in how many days the food was consumed. Let's see. So 300 men would have consumed the food in 3 days. Could understand? 32 ଦିନର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଥିଲା, 29 ଦିନର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖିଆ ହେଇଗଲା, ଆଉ ରହିଲା 3 ଦିନର ଖାଦ୍ୟ। 300 ଲୋକ ଖାଇଥାନ୍ତେ, କିନ୍ତୁ 210 ଜଣ ପଳେଇଲା ପରେ ଆଉ 90 ଜଣ ରହିଲେ। ହେଲେ 300 ଲୋକ ଖାଇଥିଲେ 3 ଦିନରେ ଖାଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ, 90 ଜଣ କମ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ନା, ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ଲାଗିଯିବ। କେତେ ଦିନରେ ସେତିକ ଖାଇଲେ ଦେଖିଦେବା। 300 men would have eaten 3 in 3 days. 1 man would have in 300 ଜଣ ଯଦି 3 ଦିନରେ ଖାଇଥାନ୍ତି, ଜଣେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଖାଇବ? ଅଧିକ ଦିନରେ ଖାଇବ। 3 into 300. 90 men will eat 3 upon 300 upon 90. 0, 0, 3, 3 the 3, 10 is equal to 10 days. How many days? 10 days. Correct?
Yes.
How many days?
4.
Tell me. 10 days. Which is correct?
4.
Number 4 is correct. ଏଇଟା ବୁଝିପାରିଲନି ନା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଦେଇ ଶୁଣ। 300 जन लोक खाइबापी 300 जन लोक 32 दिन खाद्य थिला 300 जन लोक किंतु कौन है 29 दिन खाईदे केते दिन पे खाद्य थिला 32 दिन पे
Vatation.
केते जन केते दिन खाइले 29 दिन खाइले आउ केते दिन बड़ा रहा 3 दिन केते लोक खाई 300 लोक किंतु पड़ेले केते 210 आउ रहा के 90 300 बदले 90 लोक खाइले हेले दिनटा बढ़ीज ना बेसी दिन लगिज एणुक कौन है 300 जन लोक खाई था 3 दिन जड़े खाइब 3 × 300 जड़े खाइले आउरी बेसी दिन लगिज जड़े जदि जी खाऊँ 90 जन खाइले कम दिन लगिज 300 3 × 300 × 90 इज if you simplify it you will get the answer that is 10 days. Could understand or not? Okay, doubt clear? Now let's move to the question number 27. Same thing. There is a sufficient food for 150 men for 15 days. Could understand? How many men? 150 men 15 days. Could understand? After 10 days they consumed 10 days. That means remainder is 5 days food. 5 days food. This is the remainder. How men 150 place 7 men leave the place 150 75 men left. The remainder is the remaining men were just 75. Same case 150 men would have consumed the food in 5 days. 150 men would have consumed one minute. Men would have consumed the food in how many days? In 5 days.
This.
Could understand? One man in 5 into 150 days. Therefore 75 men 5 into 150 upon 75. 75 to 2 that is equal to 10 days. How many days?
10 days. Not 5 days.
No. Just 1 minute. 10 days. Could understand? That is also 10 days.
Number 1.
Number 1. Could understand? 10 days. Okay. Next. Number 28. A can do a certain work in the same time in which B, C together do. That means A is equal to B plus C. If A and B together could do in 10 days, that means A plus B is 1 days work is equal to 1/10 part. And C is 1 days. C alone in 50 days means C is 1 days work is equal to 1/50. 1/50. Could understand? Could understand? So the question is in how many days, in what time could be alone do? So let's calculate just 1 minute. Let's calculate whose work in what time B's work we will calculate B's work. So let's do it. A is equal to BC, you know. A is equal to BC.
BC.
A plus BC 1 day's work is 1/10. C's 1 day's work is equal to 150. Could understand? So A plus BC 1 day's work is 1 part. Here BC A is equal to BC. A plus B 1 days work is equal to 1/10. Implies that B plus C. Instead of A, I wrote B plus C. Plus B, say 1 days work is equal to 1/10. Could you understand? Implies that 2B plus C means C is 1 day's work is 150. 150 work 1 days work is equal to how many? How many? Is equal to 1/10. That means 2B is equal to 1/10 minus 150. 150 is equal to LCM of 50. 50 divided 10 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to how many? 4/50 is equal to 4/25 is equal to 2 to the 225. That is 4/20. So BC work is equal to 1 days work is equal to 2BC work is equal to 2/25. 1 BC work is equal to 2/25 into 2. 2 cancel is equal to 125 part or 25 days. 25 days. Could you understand? Which is correct?
1.
1 is correct. Number 1 is correct. Okay, thank you. That's for today. That is the end of today's math class. So we shall discuss the other thing in the next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay.